Hey guys, I'm back doing a mini restore tour today. Gotta travel up for work to northern Wisconsin, so I thought I'd stop some places along the way. These are a lot of restores I stop on a lot of my frequent trips, so good deal for $1. Design house, ugly light kit. Heritage, although it looks slightly better than some of the Heritage I've seen. That thing's been here since the last time I was here. There's a Hunter box. What's in it? Oh, a generic pendant. That's underwhelming. They tried to charge me like $10, $20 for this box of mounting brackets last time I was here. That's why it's still here. A lot of HID stuff. Those red floodlights might be cool for Christmas. Nothing standing out to me. Okay, well, I'm going to keep moving. If I notice anything else before I leave this store, I'll start the camera again. If not, I'll pick up at the next restore. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, second restore of the day. I had speakers like that when I was younger. Somebody's in that aisle, so I'll go down a different one. This one used to have a lot of really good stuff years ago, and these days I haven't seen much at all. Craft made fan there. Okay, well, they're standing up and I need to go, so I'm going to go use the restroom and then I'll come back. I've tried to buy this for years, but somebody won't sell it to me. So there's a Hunter here. Design house Saturn copy with the wrong blades. These are kind of cool. See these new in box. What's in here? Oh, nothing. Yeah, not much of note in here. Okay, thanks for watching. On to the next one. Okay, I'm doing a video because I've never seen these lights before. I'm not sure if they're letting sunlight through or if they're LEDs. I can't tell. I suspect they're letting sunlight through, but I've never seen them before. I think they're kind of cool. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, so I don't go along this route without stopping at one of my favorite restaurants, and part of the reason it's my favorite restaurant is because of this atrium here. You've probably seen this in a million of my videos before, but I'll show it every time I come. Oh, that's a little loose there. Wonder what they're doing. And then the big giant fan here. I do wonder if there were more Casablancas in here. Oh, that neon light isn't working. So, food here is also really good. It's a combination of Greek and like diner style, which is a good combination. So, just get a couple shots over here. Okay, time to wait for my food order. Thanks for watching. Here's another restore. Builders, that's kind of interesting. Anything good in the blade pile? Not really. Not really seeing anything else. Update, I found a box fan. I found two, but I'm only gonna buy this one, so that's pretty cool. First find of the day. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, this is a new restore I haven't been to before. You could argue I've been to a previous location, but it was technically in a different city. They closed one in one city and opened one up in a nearby city. Those are kind of cool. Hampton Bay, Design House. Is this chrome or painted or what's going on here? Well, for better or worse, I'm not seeing any parts to anything cool. So I guess that means they didn't part out anything cool, at least. They're, oh, some old motors. That's a pretty cool one. Old Craftsman motor. Their old location did have fans installed, though. Anything back there? Not seeing anything. Cut extension cords. Interesting. Okay, well, if I see anything else, I'll add to the video. If not, thanks for watching.